As you can see, there's a big difference on this side and this side that I haven't done. It eats away at the paint and the rust pretty quick. Let's see. And you can see the big difference. So I have the car covered so no media will end up going in there. Then I have this big old tarp to collect the media that I already blasted, because you do want to reuse it. It's not that cheap. I just collect it, sweep it up, and then put it through a strainer, and then strain it again when I put it back into the blaster. This is a Central pneumatic. I got it from Harbor Freight. It was about $100, 40 pound, using 70 grit media. So we're going to be cleaning up this side of the apron to have it just as good as this side. I already finished this one up. Sandblasting and primer on there. So I'm gonna leave it just as good on this side. I'm using just a scraper to knock out some of the chunks I don't want to get with the sandblaster, and then air hammer for the bigger chunks. I'm also gonna be using a wire wheel for inside of here just because it's pretty bad.